ating si Commissioner Ray Bahadur.
Harap.
Number 22 is open. Jonathan Tagalog. Crossing over. Number 5, my foul. A foul on jersey number 22 sa letra ng A. Number 22, ilan na yan? Parang ginagawa. First personal foul by number 22. First team foul.
Pasok mo.
QTBC. Sabi yung first drive.
Sapa.
Second drive, Manos kaya. And Mr. Sabino. Second drive. No good. Rebound by the wide. Behind the back pass. Stolen by Mr. Bagri. Bagri stolen from behind. Number 5. Number 5. Basket and the pump. Basket count and a foul on number 22.
Pasok mo.
Subdivision number 16. Mr. Bagri. Subdivision. Sub by number 24. Number 5. Bonus shot by number 5. No good. Rebound number 4. To number 5. Number 5 to number 4. Rebound by number 18.
Baba. Harap.
To number 24.
Harap.
Panay pass to number 18. Kuya fires a 3. Too strong. Rebound by... Oh, may foul yan. Number 19. Yakap na high. Pasok in. Labas out. Number 10. Number 4. Oy, nakaiga na. Nakarebound pa. Number 3. Partial in down. What a nice defense by Sison. That's a technical by number 5. Number 5, technical foul. That's intentionally crossing the pool. 2 free throws. Sino po ang titira? Kahit sino po yan sa QTBC? First drive, basket is good. Second game natin, parang kinino? Subdivision! Sige po, pasok in. Pasok malaki, labas malaki.
Harap.
San Jose, to number 18. San Jose fires a 3, too strong. Rebound, number 24. Pujo. What a nice shot by number 24. Rebound by number 24.
Harap.
Nasaan po si Kaya?
Foul number 14. Pushing foul. Subdivision. Sige po, pakitawag po. Okay.
Maliliit yung ano eh. Ano magagawa ng
Number
maliliit?
4.
No.
Number 15.
Yeah.
Holy shot is good. Our score is 24-17. 7-point lead, cutting down the 27th by the QBC. Number 9. Cross-court pass to Jordan Tagalog. 10 seconds to shot. 5 to shot. Rebound by number 2. To number 18. Again to number 24. Number 24. Looking for teammates. Crosses over. He's slicing the defense. Block. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Pass break play to number 23. Jordan Tagalog. Wala! Same ball. Last touch by Subdivision. Mr. Parard, pumasok na. Wazilay, labas mo na.
Ron, sigurado Ron.
Number 14, inbounding for the Drya. Jordan Tagalog to number 5. Number 5, parks a 3. No. Number 9, partial block. Rebounded by... Iba na ang matangkad. Batang star. Number 15, pass to number 18. Number 18, pass inside. There's a foul. A foul on jersey number 10. Acting foul on jersey number 10 and 2 free throws for Mr. Salud. Mr. Salud first free throw. Pass to his good. Pinag-practicean niya ni Mr. Salud. Dating gawin to 6 points to 24-18. QDBC is knocking on the door. Second drive. Wala! Rebound! Number 14. Also number 5. Number 5 again. Number 5 spins to number 14. Left from behind. What a nice defense. 10 seconds shot clock. It's stolen by Bruce Salud. To number 5. Kevin Tuason. Basket and a foul. Basket and a foul on number 23, Jordan Tagalog. Subdivision. Sino po? Number 18 out. Pasok na si Bakri. Dami ng import.
Wala, ayaw palitan niya. Tapos pagkain mo yung masa, palitan
Second personal foul. Pull shot. Kernel. Subdivision. Number 14 out. Pahinga muna. Sige po, pakitawag po. Pasok in. Alabas out. 6 minutes and 47 seconds sa second period. Number 2, Uni. To number 5. To number 21. Again to number 5. Number 5, looking for number 21. Parks a 3. Number 31. 3.
10 kayo ganyan, 10 ha.
Pangatlong 3 points na yan. Number 31, the muscle man. Kernel Tuason. To number 24, Parks a 3. Nainggit. Bakri for the big rebound. Domestic.
Nice rep.
Nice rep. What a nice goal from our referee. Referee Capitan Hernan from Latin America. International referee po tayo. Number 5, setting regrouping talent forces for the drive. The muscle man, digging the 3 again, goes inside, looper shot, no good! Rebound by the big man, to Bakri. Bakri to number 7, Kernel Tuason. To Bakri. Salud! By foul! Yan ang player, tumataas na agad pag foul. Foul on jersey number 9, Mr. Custodio. Penalty. Now, Drya is on penalty situation. 27, 21. Alaman. Mr. Salud, first try. Walang sayang. Walang sabit. Araw-araw. 27, 22. Basket! it again. 27-23. Apat na lang po. Number 9, wow! What a nice defense from Chuck Norris. It's not a same ball. What a nice defense from the QTBC. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. The muscle man again. Number 24, looking for teammates. Kernel Tuaso. Salud! Salud! Anong gagawin niya? Akin na to! Wala! Number 2. Number 2. Mali. Number 5. Number 9. Wow! Pass to nobody but you.
Harap, harap, harap!
Tuaso! Tuaso!